Hello everyone, my name is Szymon Rybczak. I'm 17 years old React developer at Callstack. And today we are at React Native EU 2023 that is happening in Wrocław. And I have very nice guest with me, Vojta. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Vojta, and I'm a React Native developer. I'm a maintainer of a few React Native community libraries, and occasionally I also contribute to the core when I feel I need to.
Is it your first time at React Native EU?
No, I believe it's the third time. So first time it was in 2019. I gave my first ever talk here at this conference. And then since then, I kind of keep coming back.
About what was this talk?
The first talk was about end-to-end testing with Detox.
You should check it out. It is probably on our YouTube channel, so yeah, check it out.
Definitely there.
So what actually makes you come back to React Native EU?
I would say it's the people, because I know people from Callstack and also from other companies, and of course people whom I know mostly from like GitHub profiles. So for me, it's always a way to kind of reconnect with the people that I met previously and also meet some new people, because every year there's somebody who I haven't met yet. So it's always nice to just like kind of say hi and chat for a bit.
In those kind of events, it's all about networking and meeting new peoples and talking with peoples that's creating the React Native and React Native community. What's your impressions of this year conference?
I love it. So I love it especially because I again get to meet the people, and of course the talks are very important. I'm especially looking forward to like the talks about Hermes. But again, I would kind of reiterate that I really am enjoying just chatting with the people and seeing what they're up to.
Which one talk do you enjoy most?
So far, or like kind of
so far.
what I'm looking forward to? I would say probably the talk from Microsoft about invisible people who are kind of trying to be invisible behind the scenes and making sure that everything works.
Yeah, you should check it out on our Callstack YouTube channel. So it will be published. And yeah, go check that talk from Lorenzo and Tommy. It is showing the great stuff that they did in Microsoft with RNEU and all these tools that they use. So go check it out. How would you describe React Native EU in just one sentence?
Meet some new faces and reconnect with the people who you already know.
All right.
I would say. Yeah.
All right, totally agree. It's great. You are involved in the React Native community. You maintain some libraries. Which one?
It's a few libraries that I got involved in. It would be, React Native Google Sign-In, then the Datetime Picker, Document Picker, then most recently React Native Theme Control, and maybe some more which are not not so important, I would say.
Okay, these all libraries are very popular at the time. I was for sure using them in React Native apps. How did you become maintainer of these libraries? Maybe in the Lean Core initiative back then a few years ago, or did you create those libraries from scratch? How it started?
Yeah, so some of the libraries I created from scratch. With other ones, or I mean, generally speaking, the way I get involved in something is that I bump into some problem.
And you just solve it.
And then I'm this kind of stubborn person where I just don't stop, but I go in there and see, hey, what's going on, and then I fix the problem. And yeah, I think it's kind of the natural curiosity that drives me into it, and that's how it happens.
Yeah, that's a great way to explore stuff and create a great initiative, great things, tools, and yeah, thanks for doing this.
Oh, absolutely. Thanks.
Maintaining all these libraries, answering issues, creating pull requests, reviewing them, that takes a lot of time. How do you manage to manage that when working as full-time React developer?
Sometimes, if you're lucky, you can combine your full-time work with open source development.
That's great. That's how I do it.
Yeah, that's the best way to go about it. Other times, you can't do that. And then I would say it's a question of priorities. Kind of, for example, let's say you're 17 or you're 25, you probably have a lot of, well, you probably have, maybe you have time. You have time and you have the willingness, you have this drive to do it. And then you can just, sit down to the computer at 8 p.m. and you work until midnight and you get stuff done. If that's your priority and if that's what you enjoy. But maybe later on, at least I'm seeing this with myself as I kind of get older, the priorities kind of shift, and then you stop spending so much time with open source, which sometimes that's unfortunate because there's a pull request hanging there waiting for my review for 3 or 4 months, and I'm kind of sorry if that happens to somebody, but I'm always trying to get back to the pull requests and get them merged. But to summarize, I would say it's a question of priority. If that's your priority, you do it.
Yeah, priority is time management. Yeah, like I'm young, but I have school. I should be in school right now, by the way. But I hope that my teacher won't listen to this. I hope if they are listening, greetings from Wrocław. I should be on a lesson right now, but yeah, I will be back and I will do this homework. But yeah, so great. Thanks for great interview. It was really a pleasure, and yeah. See you guys at React Native 2024, probably in Wrocław. See you there. Bye.
If you liked what you've just heard, check out more of the conference content. Follow us on social media, subscribe to our newsletter, and see you at React Native EU 2024.